Here is an easy way to do the clone effect inside of Final Cut Pro. Here is how to do the clone effect inside of Final Cut Pro. So something that makes it a lot more easy is if you have a line inside of your video. So like right here, I have this line for the wall. So I have my first clip of me talking, and then I have my second clip of me talking. So all I need to do now is just use the audio to line it up. So it should be after I finish talking, I then show up right here, and that's it for that part. So now, right here, I just go over to Effects, click on Mask, and since I stayed in between this line, I can just draw a line around right at this wall. Go ahead and zoom out to 25%, and now I just finished this mask, and there we go. You now have the effect that shows you on both sides. Now the only thing about this effect is the camera stays still. What you can do, I'm just going to go ahead and hit Option G to group this together. I'm going to go to my titles. I'm just going to go ahead and add a handheld title. So now it adds just a little bit of camera movement. Another way you could do it is just scaling in the video yourself and keyframing it. So now if you have the mask over here, even though I had the clip staying still, you can see a pretty clear line right here, which is why it's nice to have a line like the wall. Now another thing you can do, go to color board, go to exposure, and you're able to move this up and down to try to match it better. So like right here, you can see it matches this. It's just a matter of moving it all together to try to better match the brightness of the mask. So now right here it matches better. So you can play around with the exposure to get it to mask better. This is why, if you can, it's much better to, before you film, to look for a spot like the wall where you're able to just seamlessly mask the line. And then even right here, you can still go ahead and turn down the exposure just a little bit if it seems like it might be too bright or too dark for the actual scene. In another video tutorial that I had where I showed using Emerto AI instead of a green screen, I did the mask around the window, as you can see in this clip, where I was able to just mask out the window. That's it for this video. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing, as it helps this channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.